Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing good. So there is a one big breaking news for developers like us that Microsoft has announced free GitHub Copilot with VS Code. Yes, you have heard it right. Now you can use GitHub Copilot with the VS Code for free. Earlier, they had some plans, some monthly subscription plans where you had to pay $15-20 per month, but now the wait is over, and now you can use this GitHub Copilot for free with your VS Code. So let's go through this news on the official website. So I am on github.com. So you can see the same here. GitHub Copilot is now available for free. The AI editor, if I go to the features now, for example, they have shown some snippets that, for example, the Mona Lisa, the developer is asking write unit test for this function. What this GitHub Copilot will do is it will write some code for you, which you can, commit on your uh, the projects which you are working on. Other than that, now it is customizable, contextual, and AI powerful. Contextual in the sense that, earlier what people were doing was that if they are working on VS Code, if there is an error in their code, or maybe they want to change some piece of code in their file, then what they had to do is they had to copy paste the entire code and they were putting it on the chat GPT, saying that in this particular file I want to change so and so, please suggest me some code. Now with this GitHub Copilot, what you can do is you can directly ask question on top of a given file. Whatever file you have currently opened in your VS Code, you can simply start asking questions on that, because that entire file is being sent as in context to your large language model. So things are now very simpler. Okay, other than that, what we have liberty to choose the model of our choice, and you can do multiple file edits and Gen AI based suggestions in real time. You can do completions. So I would say take some time and go through this documentation and features of your own, so that you can come to know the most important features. The other important thing is that they have four plans. One is the free, which they have just announced. It is of $0, and what you can do is but there is a catch. There are just 2000 completions and 50 chat requests per month, meaning it's not absolutely free for unlimited number of requests. There is a cap, there is a maximum limit. So the limit is 2000 completions and 50 chat requests per month. Okay, but if you want unlimited usage, then definitely you have to pay some $10. You have to take this plan, which is a pro plan. Other than that, if you are a teacher or a student, or if you are a maintainer of some open source project, then you can send your request. So there is a form, and then you have to fill up that form. You have to send your ID, your student ID or your teacher's ID, and then you send that information to the Microsoft, or I think GitHub people, and then they will be, if they approve it, then you will get the access for free, and that will be unlimited. So you can try this option if it is applicable for you. Otherwise, you can pay $10 per month for unlimited use. And for business and enterprise also, if you go to if you want to compare the features, the free tier is, as I said, it has just 50 requests per month and some 2000 completions or suggestions. Whereas this pro, business and enterprise, I think this pro is also attractive. You have unlimited number of access. Okay, so let's quickly jump to the VS Code. So what all you need to set up this GitHub Copilot, you need two things. First thing, you should have a GitHub account. Okay, the code repository account. You have to go to the GitHub website and you have to sign up for your account. Once you have that account ready, you can simply go to GitHub. So I have already done that, so I will try to remove these couple of things. How I can do, I can simply click. I will come in the left hand side. Left hand side, what you can see is I have these two plugins, GitHub Copilot and GitHub Copilot Chat. Just to show you, what I will do is I will uninstall these two plugins. Okay, so what you need to do is once you are on your VS Code, you will see this icon in the right hand side. Okay, so you can click on that. Since I have already authenticated, it is showing me this particular window. But if I close that, maybe let me restart my VS Code. Okay, since I uninstalled those two plugins, ideally it should ask. Okay, so use Copilot for free. So you may have some different option here based on whether you are already authenticated with GitHub or not. Since I have already done that, it will not challenge me for the username and password. uh, okay, so getting Copilot ready. So now this is ready, but if I come in the left hand side, what all it has done is it has installed those two plugins, Copilot and Copilot Chat. Okay, so if you are coming for the first time, click on this one. It will prompt you, it will challenge you for the GitHub username and password. Put those, it will install these two plugins, and then you are good to go. Okay, so you can the first way is you can come here. If this icon is not visible, maybe you can directly search that extension, which is GitHub Copilot. Okay, you can search this extension, you can install it. And the other way, I think, even if you click directly, already have Visual Studio, then you can click on this link. This will also take you to the VS Code, and it will ask you for username and password. So now let's talk about how we can use it. So broadly, there are two type of users basically. Let's say the first one is how you can refactor your existing code. So that is the first use case. What I will do is I will open one of my files. So this is my app.py. So if I want to work on top of this particular file, if I have questions based on this file, what you can see in the right hand side, that this file is coming, right? This is current file, and this is using this as a context. Current file context, you can see current file context is app.py. So whatever question which you ask now, will this chatbot will have the context of this file which you have opened. Okay, so let's say I ask it to change in current file. Please change chat grok to, please replace, maybe replace chat grok to chat OpenAI model. Okay, so let's see what it does. What happened? Oh, it has just replaced it as a word. Is it? Rewrite, rewrite app.py to make use of chat OpenAI model instead of grok model. Make changes in code. Let me be explicit. So okay, this is doing a good job. So it has imported, and you can see it is also showing me what it has done. Import chat OpenAI, and what else? Use chat OpenAI instead of grok. Superb. So this has done a good job. So this was my line number 65, where I was using chat grok. Now it has replaced it with the chat OpenAI. Okay, superb. So I think this is working fine. This is how you need to use it. If you want to use it on top of your existing file, if you want to refactor some code, you can definitely go like that. Other thing is, if let's say I want to create a new file. So what I need to do is open chat in editor. So it has come below by this file. Open chat. This is my chat. Create. No. Open Open chat in editor, open chat in new window, explore new. So open chat in editor. Okay, so now this has come in the left hand side. Now what I can do is add one new file, and the name of the file is demo.py. Okay, and put code to inference OpenAI GPT-4o model using LangChain. Add one new file. Okay, sure, here is the file you requested. Okay, demo.py. Okay, so what it has done is it has created that particular file, and this has now been added to my workspace. And what it is doing is using OpenAI. Okay, it should use chat OpenAI, that is fine. Using model GPT-4. Okay, question answer, blah blah blah. I think, I mean, the code is not 100% accurate and latest, right? So ideally, I mean, I was, maybe my instructions were not clear enough. So this is how, you can create new content, you can create new piece of code, and maybe you can work on your existing code files. Feel free to comment and ask any questions if you have regarding this, and do let me know uh, your feelings about this GitHub Copilot. Okay, download, install, and start using it, and then share your feedback. Thank you.